Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Mount Hope Mining Managing Director Fergus Kiley. Fergus, thanks for being here today.
Thanks very much for having me, Tyler. I'm really looking forward to the chat.
So, can you start by walking us through your maiden drilling results from Mount Solitary? Talk us through it.
Yeah, look, it's an exceptional set of results for the company. Our headline gold result was 19 metres at 4.5 grams from 39 metres. That was in a batch of 10 holes that we drilled across the project. We had some exceptional high grades, which is really encouraging. But what is really important about the results that we got back was we constrained the geology in a 120 by 40 metre square area. And the two transects of drill holes that we drilled across the project, no one had ever previously done that, the previous project owners. And we did that to really build a new geological model. And the results from that drilling have sort of shaped our decision making, allowed us to define a previously sort of unrecognised structural trend that we believe that we're onto, and that's sort of the direction we're going to head with the project.
Getting into that more, how have they shaped your understanding of the project and what do you have planned next?
Yeah, so like I said, we think that Mount Solitary has been a previously sort of overlooked structurally hosted orogenic gold project. We came up with a structural model that we thought may have fit the system prior to this drill program, and of course drilled these results to try and start testing that, gathering more evidence to build that new model. The results have confirmed, I guess, part of what we had previously anticipated, and using the results that we've got alongside the historic drilling and sort of reorientating our structural understanding, we've started to understand that potentially the system's still open towards the north and the northwest. And so we have an additional 24 holes already that are permitted, ready to go for drilling. So our phase 2 drill program, we're looking to execute within the next month or so to complete before Christmas is done. And that will be another fence line of holes to the northwest to continue drilling and chasing where we think the orientation of the plunge of the mineralisation is going. So it's quite exciting.
And there are further results pending from Blue Heeler and Black Hill. When can investors expect to see those?
Yeah, so those results are still incoming from the lab. The program, as we executed it on the ground, we drilled them in batches. So Mount Solitary was the first project that we drilled. Blue Heeler and Black Hill are yet to come, but we think those results are due in the next couple of weeks. So we're also excited about the anticipation of them.
And finally, looking at the broader Cobar Basin in New South Wales, what do you like most about this area?
Yeah, Cobar is a really exciting region. There's a lot of activity that's going on there right now. A lot of investors across a variety of different ASX listed companies are seeing lots of activity, lots of money that's been raised. You can see Peel Mining as a company, one of our neighbours, they just completed a $20 million capital raise. Manuka Resources have just announced a $15 million raise to restart the Winter mine. The CSA mine, which was metals acquisition, just sold to Harmony for US $1.1 billion only a couple of months ago. There's a huge amount of activity that's going on in Cobar. It's really a resurging exploration and production frontier, and we're right in the heart of it. We're right in the middle of it. We've got an exciting pipeline of projects with some really good quality opportunities, and I feel that Mount Hope's a really good looking opportunity for people to get exposure at a relatively pretty low valuation with some exciting exploration upside and be a part of this, emerging rediscovery of the Cobar mining fields.
Yeah, it definitely is. Fergus, thanks for your time today.
Cheers, thank you.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.